So let's talk about ZBCN. Its full name is ZBCN network, and right now it is sitting at 0035. The day before yesterday, I think I didn't make a video yesterday, we talked about how important the area of 004 is. I'll show it to you where it is. It would look really high now. It is not high. It is not high at all, but somehow ZBCN has lost this area and now it looks really far away. I'll show it to you on one day, then it wouldn't look that dramatic. Yeah, now on one day you can see it's not that dramatic. Now let's talk about the good and the bad. The good news is that ZBCN has successfully closed 2 daily candles. At the time of making video, I told you that this was the first candle that was trying to close below it. At that time we didn't have clarity. The second candle is where I was not there. We closed that today, and this is your today situation, which is again below the area of 004. Now 004 is the most important crucial area for ZBCN. We have talked about it over and over again. I have discussed this thing as much as I could. Now we are below this gray line, and I told you that if this happens, that only indicates one thing. It shows a break of structure, and of course it indicates the overall break of trust as well. And that's why if you look at ZBCN on a shorter time frame, just a second, it is on a continuous downward journey from 004 all the way here. Now the thing is that if we don't go back, because we have now lost the area of 004, which means that now if it goes and touches it, it doesn't matter. What matters is we need to close above it with 2 daily candles. Then only after that I can say, okay, now that area is captured. If we don't do that, if we don't do 2 daily candles closing above the area of 004, we will be aiming for 001. It is going to be a horrible journey. Of course, going from 004 to 001 is not something that we want, but it will be going towards that area eventually. Of course, it will be in pieces. It will react a lot towards 003, then 002, but eventually it will go down to that area. Other than that, let me see if I see anything in a short term. Nope. There is nothing that I see in the short term. We talked about this structure. We talked about the double tops as well. And right now it is below the area of our interest. And of course the next drop is towards 0025. But I mean, like I said, it doesn't matter. It will eventually go towards 001. It can take weeks or maybe a month or two. It will go there. For us to get bullish again about ZBCN, it needs to go and conquer 005, close 2 daily candles above it. Until and unless it doesn't do it, the only thing I'm going to expect from ZBCN is a downward journey. And that's pretty much it with it. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.